Welcome back to ZA Luxury Autos, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates on the world of automobiles. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated vehicles for 2025, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 Ultimate in white. Let's get started. Here we have the stunning 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Ultimate, and it looks even more impressive up close. The front view is the first thing that will catch your eye. The sleek, sharp lines of the bodywork blend beautifully with the bold design of the front end. The signature pixelated LED headlights are not just functional but give the car a futuristic look that sets it apart from other electric vehicles on the road today. As we move down, you can notice the wide, clean grille area and the distinctive lower air intake, which enhances the car's aerodynamic efficiency. The body of this model is finished in a pristine white, which amplifies its clean, high-tech vibe. White is a color that reflects the minimalist design ethos of the Ioniq 5. It's not just about the looks, it's about making a statement about the future of electric vehicles. Take a look at the large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, which are just as cutting-edge in design as the rest of the car. These wheels not only improve the overall aesthetics but also help optimize efficiency and performance. They're perfectly paired with the lower stance of the Ioniq 5, which gives it a sleek, low-slung profile on the road. Now, if you take a step closer, you'll notice the sleek side profile, which carries the distinctive, sharp lines from the front all the way to the back. This is where the Ioniq 5 truly stands out, its bold, yet clean design that's never overdone but remains undeniably modern. Moving towards the interior, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 Ultimate continues to impress with its spacious, tech-driven cabin. You get a large 12.3-inch display right in front of the driver, along with a matching touchscreen for the infotainment system. The seats are designed for comfort, with eco-friendly materials, and the interior exudes a high-tech, premium feel. But let's talk about the driving experience for a moment. The Ioniq 5 is not just about looks, it's also about performance. With rear-wheel drive and the option for all-wheel drive, the 2025 Ioniq 5 is expected to provide a smooth, dynamic ride, with fast acceleration and excellent range. Hyundai's innovative fast charging system allows you to get up to 80% of charge in just 18 minutes, which is perfect for long trips and everyday use. So, there you have it, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Ultimate in white. A car that combines stunning design with cutting-edge technology and impressive performance. If you're looking for a futuristic, eco-friendly car that doesn't compromise on style or driving experience, the Ioniq 5 should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the preview, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ioniq 5. Be sure to subscribe to ZA Luxury Autos for more reviews and updates on the latest cars. Until next time, drive safe and see you in the next video.